This is Alan Bush with ADMIS. In the stock index futures, we are seeing a variety of reports today coming in offsetting. We did have two employment numbers. The ADP employment change number coming in a little worse than expected, but jobless claims showing a larger than expected decline. So those were basically offsetting influences. Also, we had factory orders showing a smaller than expected decline here in the U.S. But what really is dominating is the prospect of the Fed cutting back on their quantitative easing program sometime later this year. Right now, the consensus view is that they will curtail their bond purchasing program at the September 17th to the 18th policy meeting, although there's a possibility that they could delay until at the December meeting. In any event, a tapering is coming. That is the dominant influence, and that is what is likely to take futures lower between now and when the actual tapering announcement does take place. Over in the foreign currencies, we're seeing the dollar index trading near a 3-week high. Some pressure in the euro currency, this after German factory orders coming in weaker than expected. Also, we are seeing some pressure coming back into the Australian dollar after several days of strong gains. This linked to weaker commodity prices this morning. Still feel that the main trend for the Australian dollar is lower and that interest rate differentials will, in the longer term, favor the US dollar over the Australian dollar. And we do feel that it is very likely that we will see new lows for the move within the next month or so for the Australian dollar. Over in the treasuries, we did see a 25-month low for the 10-year Treasury note today. We have seen over the last week or so futures ignoring bullish news when we did get it. That in itself is a sign of weakness. So nothing changing in our long-term outlook for treasuries. The main trend is lower, especially at the long end for the 10 and the 30-year. Look for continued weakness in the Treasury futures market. Once again, these are my opinions alone and are not the opinions of ADMIS or Archer Daniels Midland.